Hello, my darlings. Welcome to my style closet where I will be discussing everything style and more specifically the tips and tricks that you will need to look and feel your best. Today, I am going to be discussing hangers. You might be wondering, why is this even a topic? Well, my darlings, take a look in your closet. Do you have pieces that just aren't hanging properly? Do you have pieces that you wish you can hang, but you have them folded or rolled or maybe dumped in a pile somewhere? Well, this is going to be the video for you. I'm going to really get into some of my hanger faves as well as some hanger accessories that can assist you in getting your closet organized and making you feel really great about opening those closet doors. Let's get into it. Now, I personally have some faves like this top hanger. It's a plastic top hanger, and I like this option because of the hooks that are here, because those are ideal for any top or dress that has a thin strap. I also really love this black pant hanger where the clips, let me show you all this. The clips are adjustable and they're perfect for any bottom, so skirts, any pants, or even like a strapless dress that can't fit on this. You can use this type of hanger to, of course, store your garments. And you may notice in the background here that I am at the Container store. Like, I love this store because when it comes to organizational items for your home or anything that will help you to make your closet feel and look better, this is the place to be. They ship internationally and the prices are usually really good. So I'm going to show you all some of my options. First up is this wonderful 14 hook over the door rack, and you may be wondering how this has become a hanger. Well, think about it. A hanger is any device or tool that can be used to hang items on. So, in true sense, it is a hanger, okay? Now, the great thing about this is that it firstly is great if you are trying to operate in a small space because it has 14 hooks. You can put it behind your door and you can use it to hang anything from towels to earrings that have hooks on them, to necklaces, to handbags, to any sort of garments that you don't want to actually place into your closet at that point in time. So it's really multifunctional. And the great thing about this in particular, it has a nice size, but it can also be assembled on your wall. So if you're creative, why not place it onto the wall as literally a design piece? So this is really a cool option to hanging your garments. Next up, we have this really premium looking non-slip velvet suit hanger. And check this price. You get in a case of 40 for anywhere between $4.99 and $30. So I'm thinking that the 40 pack will be about $30. So that is a really, really great price. And the great thing about these type of hangers are they're lightweight, they're heavy duty, but they also prevent your clothes from slipping, because what happens is that the velvet acts as somewhat of like an adhesive to your garment, because it's like fabric onto fabric. And we don't, disclaimer here, we don't do metal hangers. Okay, guys, metal hangers, no, 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 no. These hangers also feature like a swivel hook, and the great thing about the swivel hook, it means that you can place your hangers, hook them anywhere, and it's super easy, super simple, and it just really looks very sleek. Let me show you all some other pictures here just to give you an idea. The shape as well is fantastic because it's so slender. You'll find that when you opt for these type of hangers, you get a little more extra space in your closet. So that's a great plus as well. Yeah, look how cool that is, right? And kind of going back to the shape of these velvet hangers in particular, it says suit hanger. And when you think of a suit, it's both top and bottom. So you can actually create looks. It doesn't necessarily mean like a formal suit, but it can be used for like top and bottom looks. So let's say you're planning your outfits for the week and you have like a certain top that has to go with a pant or a skirt. You can hang the skirt or pant. Let me show you all here on this spot. Okay, and then you use the outer part for your tops. So it is multifunctional. Then we get into some of your shirt and blouse hangers, and these are wooden, which I think is the best option next to your velvet and your plastic options. All right, because the wooden hangers are very durable, plus they're very sleek looking. So with these, you have varieties, okay? As you see, the first one, those can be used for your regular shirts that you can button up and they're going to stay perfectly. Then you have the second option where if you have any top with thin straps, or even sometimes you may have bottoms that have the thin inner straps in them, you can hook into this little spot right here. And then we have the traditional multifunctional two-piece outfit look in the third option here that offers you the ability of hanging both a bottom and a top. So this is a really nice hanger. It has a swivel neck hook again, which means you can literally hook it anywhere, anyhow, and it will be comfortable. And the shape is not designed in a bulky format, so it's still slender enough for you to save some space in your closet, and that is really, really important to us. Now let's say you have top hangers and you're trying to find an affordable alternative to be able to hook all of these bottoms that you need to hang into your closet. There's something called hanger clips. And similarly to this, it's literally the clip, right? That's here, that you can purchase separately, and you can place that now on any form of hangers. It can be a plastic top hanger, it can be a velvet top hanger, it can be a wooden hanger as well. The wooden option, though, I would say it needs to be very slender, but it's still an option. So this is something that I think is a really, really great accessory that you should keep when you're thinking closet organization. And as I'm on this, I'm going to show you all some more accessories. So let's kind of check that out. Okay, so next up is the Cascading hanger hook. This, guys, is super cool. What you do is, let's say this is your hanger. That space on the hanger hook at the top, you place it through here. And that then allows you to hook another hanger to the bottom. So it is dual functional. And this again helps you with respect to saving space. And it also helps you if you're trying to create looks. So let's say you're shopping in your closet a bit and you want to try some new looks and these work and you want to keep those pieces together. You can hang your pieces separately and then use the hanger hooks to connect them. So I think that this is a really great accessory. And I mean, it's like $4.99 for 10 in a pack. Like, you can't go wrong, right? And lastly, these are a little more on the pricier side, but it's still such a really great addition to your closet organization, because if you need to get more closet rod space, this is absolutely perfect. What this is a cliff hanger connector. Okay, guys, let me show you all this. You literally can connect a series of hangers and have a whole heap of pieces together. So if you are really tight on that closet space and you want things to come together nicely, this is a great option. I think that this is really great as well for like persons who are in the corporate world and they have uniforms for work, or any organization as a matter of fact, and you have uniforms and you kind of want to keep that together. This is a great option. And otherwise, I mean, like, who doesn't want more closet space? So I think that this overall is a really great accessory to have when you're thinking about reorganizing your closets. So, my darlings, I hope that you all have enjoyed all of these options that I've given you today. There is way more. So, I think that there may be a part two and part three of this. But if you're watching this on YouTube, by the way, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let me know, like, what is your hanger journey like when it comes to reorganizing your closet or putting your closet together as a whole. And turn your post notifications on so that when next I drop a video like this, you'll know that it's most present. Thank you as well. And disclaimer, this is not an ad, but thank you as well to the Container Store for really producing great things for us to shop and make our organization of our closets really simple, really easy. So until next time, my darlings, have a great one. Mwah.